Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the process of completely uninstalling applications or programs on macOS. Most users typically navigate to the Finder when they wish to uninstall a program. From there, they select the Applications folder and locate the specific application or program they wish to remove. For instance, if you want to uninstall Discord, the common approach is to simply click and drag it to the trash. While this method does work and effectively removes the application from your computer, it can sometimes leave behind residual files or clutter. I will now take you through some straightforward steps to achieve a thorough and clean uninstallation of any program or application on macOS. For instance, let's say we want to remove Skype. What we're going to do is come up here to the search in the top right, and I'm just going to type in Skype. Then we just want to make sure we have this Mac selected. Then we're going to come over here to the right and click on this plus sign. Then on this drop-down, make sure we have name and then matches, and you'll type in the name of the application you are removing. Then, after you click Enter or Return, just click on the plus sign. Then for the second drop-down menu, we want System Files. Most of you will not have System Files listed here, so what you'll need to do first is click on Other. Then from the search, just type in System Files. Just add a check to the box and click OK. If we return to the drop-down menu, you will now have System Files to select and change this to Are Included. You can see that it's now listing everything. Now, before you delete anything, you just want to go through each thing listed and just verify and confirm that it is related to the application or program you are uninstalling. In the most recent version of macOS, it will list the location down here below. Then once you have confirmed or verified that everything here needs to be deleted, we're just going to click and drag to select everything. Then we're going to click and hold and drag to the trash. Then we're going to click on the trash to open it. We're just going to go ahead and click on Empty and then Empty again. Then after you've done all those steps, it's usually advised to come up here to the top left, click on the Apple icon, and go ahead and restart the computer. One quick thing I do want to note, if you're using an older version of macOS and you come to this search option, and you type in the name of the application you're looking for, but you do not see these little plus options, what you'll want to do instead is come up here and click on Go, click on Computer, and then from here, do the search, type in the name of the application or program, and you should have those plus options. Again, this generally happens if you're on an older version of macOS. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.